Alright guys, you know when you're calling us, the 2Gs will appear. Hey guys, it is going to be a good one. I hope you guys are ready for it. The last one for the sesh. Chris, how you feeling, brother?
Obviously that's some manual labor here. Ed was witness to that. Ed, just tell the guys when you got here to the office, what was I doing? When I said this morning we were going to do manual labor, I might need some chiro work on my back. Sweeping, bending down, I'm a little chalked here.
Yeah, no, it's been a rough one. But we guys, ready to finish strong. You know, I'm not gonna say it's that much. Say so much. We are seeing obviously a few guys need a recovery trade. So
what is happening?
Not looking too good. I think honestly, the PPI I think caught a lot of people off guard. End of the day, we basically will talk about it a little bit shortly. But when we were seeing what happened, it has basically reversed anyway. So it was a little bit of a mixed bag there. But it traded right into our zones we actually had marked out this morning and all reversed immediately. And that's purely because the numbers can come out different, but CPI having the bigger influence, just going like that. Hey Keeks, don't expose the G's like that. But it was a rough one, bro. But we're going to be coming in there. So yeah, we're going to make the most of it. Being a good week, we're all finishing strong. I don't think anyone that trades CPI with us can say they are finishing this week negative. If you are finishing negative, I don't know what the hell you caught on. But yeah, we're still we're gonna rock up. It is still Friday. We've got one session left in the bag, and we're looking to finish good. So again, Chris, I mean you still up this week?
No, I didn't trade PPI. I didn't. Yeah, I was on Chad. Honestly, I was too busy.
I think that was your lunch break, bro. After everything.
Dude, I was busy sweeping. I was busy in the back cleaning up. Just getting the office basically done because my mind works different. I don't like when things are not in order. So, yeah, we got it done. Things are almost there. I would give it, say, another week and then we 100% settled in here. But, yeah, I'm happy.
Alright, so there you guys have it. So I think, guys, we'll quickly go over to the fundamental side, then we'll talk about what basically happened over there. So very, very simple. As I said, you obviously had the numbers come out a bit more bullish. Keep in mind with PPI, you got your month on month and month on month. You don't have obviously your year on year, stuff like that. And there's no unemployment claim that comes out with it. So again, that's a bit of a difference. But we had to come out obviously bullish across the board. But in the long term, these monetary policies, this isn't really going to change anything what we're trying to really look at. So yeah, that's where that basically the influence still flipped at the end of the day. Because I can tell you now, even though that came out a little bit above it, technically it was only 1% higher than previous. And the same other one coming out 0.2 where they were expecting a 0.1. I can tell you these were numbers that were expected. None of these numbers were breaking the maximum, stuff like that. So looking still relative at the end of the day. And that's where we can see that pullback. But now when we go over to the charts, we can see what basically is playing out. So very, very simple, guys. On the 4 hour, we're just going to get those continuations. If you guys know it, there is the pattern right there. Literally coming back, that was your pullback to test that monthly S1 and now melt away. I have no doubt the previous daily low is going to get taken and we are going to hit that 103,450. So that's definitely on the cards yet today. When we go over to the indices, very, very simple. That was our move down to the bottom. Basically just get a little bit of liquidity out of the day, let's say it that way. It's now done. Very, very simple. So what are we going to see trade here now? You almost see this little range there. Almost we can say a trend line if you want to call it. I don't personally trade them, but we can still use our eyes and see them naturally. So there is that little bit of a trend. As I say, this was that little quick liquidity grab. Now flipping above, holding this level of support. And now we can go for this Asia highs. Because again, not only have we held Asia lows, but making our lows higher every single time. Our highs are being tested, and every time a zone gets tested, we know eventually that wall is going to collapse. So very, very likely we can break and we can have that move to the top side. A lot of momentum that can go back as we are more bullish at the end of the day. Even if it's not, like I say, a move to the daily pivot, the EQ, the monthly R1 in the middle again there. That is definitely on the cards today. So just watch out for NAS with that one. With US 30, again, we're going to still be looking for those buys. We always talk about these zones. Monthly R1, we said this morning, was a crucial area for US 30. It definitely held off the whole day. Now, obviously, the daily pivot EQ hadn't been touched yet. This was that move that went and got everything. Almost retesting the weekly R2 and flipping immediately, going right back up. And now those previous daily highs on the cards again. When we look at the 4 hour, very, very similar. You can start trading back for these targets at highs over here. I said to you guys, the weekly R3 really becomes the target at the end of the day. So weekly R3, more of an end of day target, but daily R1 can almost be hit by the end of the day. And with USD, as you guys know, I am doing R&D trade, that new strategy I'm developing. So that trade will be tested again yet today. And then lastly, gold. When we want to take notes over here, gold, we are very, very much bullish. This was that pullback we spoke about this morning. I said to you guys, we want to continue bullish, but we need to see gold trade back. See if this time around we can hold this zone of support. Otherwise, we might as well just have a massive pullback like this in the past. So again, looking very, very strong, holding that zone now. That was that perfect type of test for us into there. We're seeing a massive push of volume away from it. Once this gets back into the Asia range, I think this is a no-brainer trade. You break into those Asia lows, can hold above Asia lows. Very simple. Asia highs become a target, and you can even aim for previous daily highs. So really can get a nice move here ahead on gold. So that's everything from my side. And then also, guys, I just want to note before we even get into the US30, the R&D trades, literally first week live testing it, and even if it takes a loss today, that trade closes off in profits for the week. That strategy. So again, as I said, very, very much potential in it, and that's literally all being live tested in front of you guys. So over to you, brother.
We didn't even pray, Chad. I'm gonna start us off here, and there's no issue with that. We're gonna cover that analysis quickly, and then we're gonna cover my analysis. So As always, Chad, we're just going to pray. We need the prayer. Me and Keegan needs it the most. So
Yeah.
we're just going to pray real quick. Father, we thank you for this day. Thank you for blessing us. Thank you for another day, for the opportunity to trade here. Thank you for each and every member, each and every person watching here. I pray that you will give us guidance, wisdom, lead us into all truth as we go into the session. And we want to thank you for your blessings and your mercies. And everybody that believes that says amen.
Amen.
Amen. Amen. Tell him to just chill. Tell him nothing's going to happen now on a Friday. Tell him Chris says chill. I'll chat to him later. Chad, let's get into the session. I haven't even checked PPI. My hair's not wet. It's actually that cream I put on that makes it look wet. Maybe it's a bit oily. Maybe it's a little bit of sweat. I don't know. It could be wet. Could be sweat. But don't fret. We're going to check now. Chad. Keegan just said the PPI, the boys got wrecked. Okay, PPI coming out somewhat hotter here, Chad. Sisa. Okay, so PPI doing a number on the boys. 46 minutes, we've got Michigan. That's going to be the next set of volume that's going to come through. That's quarter two. No, that's quarter two, eh? No, it's on the dot, 4 o'clock. Yeah, 4 o'clock. Okay, so obviously headline inflation number down. I'm not too phased about the PPI number. Let's quickly check DXY. DXY obviously still looking relatively weak. There's that monthly S1, weekly S1. It seems like the dollar's going for one more push lower. As mentioned this morning, I said if we can't get above that level, most likely going for yesterday's lows. So 10 to 1, you'll see us tap these levels and then maybe reverse. I don't know. US 30, very simple for me. As mentioned, we are still bullish, going with the potential neutral outlook on the day. Yearly pivot, big level. We said yesterday, if you wondered why US 30 was struggling at this level right here is a yearly pivot level. Massive, massive. Daily pivot holding, EQ holding. Looking at the 80, if we can hold Asia highs, could be a massively bullish day here, Chad. If we hold this level, look at 80. The 80 is literally down here. If this thing starts picking up momentum to the upside, it can really, really do some damage. So watch out for this zone on US 30 on the 5 minute. NASDAQ. Okay, NASDAQ, as I mentioned. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at the 80 saying, I'm coming back. Taking a previous daily low. Beautiful sweep of liquidity. Love that. Holding Asia lows. Asia highs tested now for the first time. This is most probably the most simplest trade you can wait for, and it's this. There you go. You don't have to do anything special here. You are literally going to wait for that 200. You're going to wait for that break above Asia highs, and if it holds, this thing is gone. Other than that, there's nothing I'm particularly fond of. Gold, if you were trading with us this morning, who was in this morning's session? Chad, let me know when we were in those buys, and I think we were sitting here. And what did I say about the hourly? Go watch that last section of the stream. I said if you consider it, the hourly was trading at this zone here, literally at that zone where we're trading now almost again. And I said you can still see that this candle can close bearish, which it did. So still stepping down. Order flow is still bearish. So again, going to be tricky. Had the sells deny us 26 pips up, break even here this morning. This trade there got into the buys. I think the buys were taken here somewhere. Closed out for -5 pips. So closed the session net -5 pips. Going into this session, Chad, very, very simple for me. Again, back at that daily pivot. There's that key level test. Remember what I said? Would be beautiful if we test that key level, which we did. There's the breakout now, test it. So I'm very, very happy to still look for continuations. We've been spending all this time below the Asia range. We tested that key level now. The EMA is still holding as resistance. Remember the 200? We've been talking about that 200 for how long now? So what I am going to say is if we get back into the Asia range now, this afternoon, there's going to be volume. Other than that, I don't know if I want to sell into this, Chad. I don't know if I want to sell into this. I'm looking for some trend line liquidity as the SMC trend line. I want to see this trend line liquidity being taken. See this trend line here? That is I want to trade against this trend line. I want to see this go higher. So very simple for me going into this session. Super, super simple. This is our zone right here. We will be trading from there. I would love if we can get inside here, and I'm going for the longs today, Chad. Long and strong like Hong Kong. There we go. That is my analysis, Chad. Did I miss anything here this morning? Did I miss anything? Let me just check what the chat saying. Celine taking us in. So bless Celine's soul. Incredible. Around the world must also feature. Are you talking about around the... Okay, anyway. Looking fresh, Chris. I'm not feeling too fresh. It smells a little bit like hard labor and maybe some vinegar in here. Today I was liquidity. It's good like that. PPI. I was sure, Carl. That's a strong word. It's a strong Afrikaans word. But if that is what PPI did, it's tough. Richard Channing saying he's klaar for the week.
Klaar for the week.
He's just here for the vibes. He's making strong klaar, man. Okay, Chris, put that back into default. Yeah, just quickly whipped it into the default position. Fubs, where's Fubs? Fubs obviously went for that overtrader in him. He made a big bag yesterday and was like, yes, I want to feel that again. Let me just get stuck in here one more time. Trading made simple. Chris, I watched this series on TED. Thanks for that, bro. Yeah, it's incredible. Well done to CoffeeZilla. But this is Keegan's stream. I'm not going to take it over. Keegs. Cheers, my brother.
Cheers,
to a
brother.
good week. Let's finish it strong.
Let's finish this thing strong. Yeah, bro. This is going to be interesting, this one. Only went small, lost 5K.
Since when is 5K small? The boys, these days, Keegan also the other day, like, I'm not going big, only like 5K. I was like, sure. When did 5K become like, take the change, 5K.
Take the change.
You take it.
I don't want it. Says the guy. Who remembers this, Chad, when we traded NFP and Chris turned around going, you know what? I just want to get rid of this. Like, I just got to get rid of it.
But so, bro, it hurts me till this day. That was so silly, Chad. So what happened was we traded NFP. The account was like 400% up, but it was lagging, and I thought like I wanted to see where the candle actually forms on the broker terminal. And by that time, it just pulled all the way back up. So I was break even. I just got out at break even. And then I thought, like, fuck, I wanted to at least see something happen here. And then I, anyway, blew that to silly.
Ethan,
silly.
when you say website down, which website are you talking about?
Wait, where's?
Hold on, you're thinking yes. Can't be.
Website down. Hey, Prodigy.
2Gs is up, bro. Literally, it's on the screen.
Let me check.
There's 2Gs right there.
Let me see. Is it Vault Markets, Vault Funder? Vault Funder is up. Yeah. Let's check Vault Markets quickly.
So what website's down, brother?
Vault Markets. So both. Everything's up. Everything's up. Everything is up.
Project G hitting funded accounts left, right, and center, bro. Before the studio even starts, we're gonna have like a decent wall of fame already. Brother Chris and Keegs, how's the afternoon? Hey, been good, brother. Been good. How's things your side?
I laughed so hard at that. Yo, I was done off the. Yeah, that's so silly. That if you think about it, as much as you make money, or especially me, I'll fret about oh flip. Okay, I can save even these webcams. I told Keeks flip. Okay, if we order it there, we're saving like $200, and then on that's like 2K. Just throw it in there.
Yeah.
And then it's like we're going over websites, over a webcam to save $200.
Bro, but you know, I had this conversation with someone the other day. I was like, how when we want to buy things, we so stingy with our money. But come as you trading, man, I'll lose 2K, yeah, I'll lose 4K.
Bro, you're
there,
happy. Bro, you're happy to take 10K and throw it in the furnace. You're happy. And you don't even feel bad about it. Go spend 10K on something that you actually need. It's like, do we really need this?
We'll have another look, but when I went to join Project G, it kept on giving problems. Okay, well, it's clearly up on our side, brother.
Maybe it's referring to the payment. Is it not referring to the payment?
No, because we just had a guy join,
Okay.
and you guys sign up literally a while ago, so it come through.
Nazim Kasim.
Maybe it was just your internet, bro. I can't think of anything else. Can't wait for the Ultimate Trader. That is gonna be starting soon. Gonna be
Monday.
a banger. Who's in the lead now, bro? Literally before the last weekend.
Let me check quickly. Let me check.
Hey, Chris.
What?
Favor Shipalani is back. He is finally returned from the metaverse.
Wait.
Well,
Was
what is your
Favor?
analysis? I'm long for next 3 months. I'm in the ECN.
Wait. Favor. Where's Favor? Hey, Favor. No, but isn't Favor part of the chat, or did we ship him out?
No. Favor, you did get shipped out.
Did we ship him?
This is literally the conversation we had last time, where you were like, "No, it's not Favor," and then he caught on something. And
Yes,
the
bro. Why do I
duped
feel
him.
like Favor should be a cool guy, and then you're telling me, no, man, Favor. I don't believe these guys. I believe Favor.
Chad, please tell him. This is
this
literally
is not-
a replay.
this
It's
is
like
not the
deja vu
Favor.
right here.
This is not our Favor. Come on, man.
No,
Favor.
he got sent to the gulag.
Really? Did he? No, man.
Also, guys, the payment page.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But check it out, bro. This is your first taste of BSPs. Enjoy it.
Yes, sis.
Enjoy it. Okay. So, Chad, currently, I took a lead now.
So you in the lead? You
No,
dead last.
not in the lead. I took you dead last now.
What?
You are now. I jumped. I don't know what happened. Maybe it's the hair. I told you this hair.
Guys, I feel like he's rigging it at the back end.
No,
When he
no,
goes
no.
home, he's opening up the back end. He's like, I'm gonna put that
Bro,
here
I
on
swear, Chad, look at this. I swear to you, this is where we're at.
How is I in the lead to dead last?
So, I'm 32.5. Shaq is 5% ahead, and then Keegs is just under 30.
Hey.
All right.
I don't know. This math isn't mathing.
Favor got chalked to the Mets. Favor's the one who's always trolling Keegan. Okay, Favor. No, but Favor's is repented new man. Favor said he's done with that stuff. He's here to bring a positive mindset. He's here to contribute to the Chad. He said he wants to be part of thy Chad.
We're gonna see.
As the Chad Bible says, hence no violence against thy Chad. Only positive vibes for the Chad. Something's wrong with the maths here.
I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you.
Chad. But again, I would love to be lost. But our team, Chad, you better believe.
It's fine. My team, they're gonna get the US 30 strat.
I don't care what stat you guys are doing. My team, Callan, what's up, my brother? Chat, 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Sorry, man. Where's Keegan's screen?
Keeg starting the competition in last place only means there's room for more improvement. There we go, bro. Keegs, we're not the same, boy. Hey, that's it. Hold on. I got Forbes on my team, bro. Forbes is my boy. We taking over, bro.
Bro, you need to.
We're not the same.
You need
You're
to
not
look
like us.
Let's see if Forbes is part of you.
Not like us.
Let me see if Forbes is part of your team. Let me check here.
We're gonna have like Chris and Shaq's guys there on the leaderboard, and then Team Keegs is just gonna be coming through. They're like, wop, wop, wop. Just taking over, bro.
Wait. Let's see here. I don't think.
I am 10,000%. Hey, they ain't like us.
Yeah, but did it choose you? Wait. Let me see here. Okay, no, it did choose you. Can I did? Chat, I can see if there's anyone here in the chat.
It's fine, guys. Team Keegs, we're gonna bring it home.
Kaylen, no man. Kaylen, I can see what you did here. Naughty Kaylen.
What did he?
Look at where Kaylen is. Kaylen, come on. No, I'm kidding, Chad. No, look here, guys. As much as we are the coaches, it's not really about us. Believe it or not, it is all for you guys as the traders. So it's going to be fun. There's going to be some fun banter and all of that. But ultimately, it's so that you guys can walk away with being a better trader, a good experience, and the opportunity for some cool prizes. So that is what it's about. It's not really about us, or we're going to try and put as much effort as possible into giving you guys. Okay, there we go.
Markets are open. Round 10. Fight.
So, Keegan really putting it in today, yeah.
Let's go, guys. We're going to see if the strat develops something again for us today. A little naughty. Let's see.
How's everyone feeling? Obviously the numbers are down. Do you think everyone blew up? Chad, what's happening?
I think a few people blew up.
Do you think the Oaks are like done with trading now? Like, nah.
Nah, a few people blew up, bro.
You guys were buying. The groups I were in were selling, and then they were buying when the markets were selling, and then they were selling again. Like, nah, this trading stuff, I'm done. Alrighty, right. Just check gold, guys. Get ready for gold. Get ready. That thing looks ready to pop that trendline liquidity. Trendline liquidity will be popped here today. Classic gold. Go exclamation prop. And then on the website, you're going to see Ultimate Trader. There's going to be a drop down there. Exclamation prop. P-R-O-P. I've been away from the streams for a while. What's happening with these teams and stuff going on between Chris, Shaq, and Keeks? Hey, Callan, it's rough out here. It's rough out here. The boys are competitive, saying they're busy developing secret strategies that they're only going to give to their team members. I don't know. Alrighty. Okay, Chad. That trade from this morning, I just want to go over here. The IG trade on the JSE just closed out a little bit earlier here. All things considered, just this week, testing it now, we did. Sorry, Kicks, I don't want
No, sure, bro. I'm
Hijack.
watching here to see if we can get a.
to. So, yeah, this week it basically risking 0.7%. It made 3.87, 3.9%. So what is that? 3.9. Okay, basically that 5.6 R. Okay, so something we're developing. We will continue to forward test it. I don't want to really throw money at it now at this stage, but we will very soon. We will start throwing some real money at it. All right. But yeah, just to show you, so we're gonna get some good data for the guys that have been joining, and then also I'm still gonna chat to Volt, see what we can do on that front. But over to Keegs. Okay, there we go. Just checked my MT5, got in 2 pips above the bottom week on NAS when news came out. Hey. Chatadonia, baby. Would you hold, Chris? Just check, got in 2 pips above the bottom week on NAS. Would I hold? What I would say though is MCSI Michigan, big one. If you look here, remember what I said, we need to come through this zone, or we need to get through this zone. So if we can't get through this zone, very likely we could go and take out those lows and actually go and test the weekly. Oh, is it still on your screen? Shit, sorry man. Sorry, yeah, NASDAQ. Remember I said that level, but I think once you're through here, you can hold. Just check here. If you can't get through there, trouble. Alright. Alright, you're right. Ready for that trend line liquidity. Keegs, are you ready for the trend line liquidity?
I'm ready for trend line liquidity, bro.
Liquidity of the trends. No, it's not too late. Entries end on Sunday. Entries end on Sunday. Chat, did you guys see the CPI press conference we did? News Trade TV was here. The little press conference after the CPI that you guys. I'm gonna share. I'm gonna share now, guys. Little fun reel we did. We were sitting here this morning. I was still eating my oats, and I said, "Listen, yeah, I've always wanted to shoot a reel where we do that." That's why I still look stuffy. It was like I haven't even awoken. I haven't even been woke yet. Let's check here. Hey, that was a fun one, Chad. When is your video coming out?
Which one?
Your CPI video. Or is this the one that posted?
For both of
Really?
us, yeah.
No, man, but what about that screen recording of it? We have to do another one though.
Also, we can just do an extra one.
Yeah, I think we must. Kaylen, no, I'm joking. You didn't do anything. How much does it cost? Kaylen, check that form, my brother. Everything is on there. Literally, everything is on there. Everything. Kaylen, okay. Let me do Oh, is it Mike? An older guy? Or is he asking him? I think it's for Elsie. Just go in the back, there's 2 cupboards.
Oh, yes.
That is coming to pick that up, yeah. Chad, sorry man, while we on this, let's quickly just go to Vault Funder quickly. Callan asking you, let's maybe do it. We haven't done a full breakdown yet. Okay.
Wait, what are we doing a breakdown of?
No, just the Ultimate Trader. Okay, it's very simple, my brother. 3 coaches that are gonna provide mentorship, trading information for you based on the team you choose. All you need to do is how to enter. Sign up for a Vault Funder account if you haven't yet. Second, complete the registration form with your details. Provide your MT4, MT5 number and choose your team. Here's your 3 coaches. These are your 3 coaches that you can choose from, myself, Keegan and Shaq. This is what you'll get. This is what's at stake. First prize, gaming PC. Second prize, gaming monitor and gaming peripherals. And then once you click here on join now, you can just complete this. So you need in essence, all you need is a Vault Funder account that hasn't been traded with, and you can complete the rest right there. Very, very simple. And you still get your payout. It's not like it's just for that PC. You still, let's say you pass it or whatever.
Yeah.
Watch it. So funny. Making sweat on a Friday, Chris. I'm so lost. I don't know what. Now, when we are looking at the teams you choose, you obviously you didn't choose my team. I've developed my strategy and it's effective. The problem is I can see the light at the end of the tunnel, but I can't see the route. That is very weird. Keeks, but I still back you. Also think he'll be a good coach. That's been following Chris a long time. Got to keep it loyal. When is the closing date, Vaughan? On Sunday. Sunday, all entries will be closed, and we are commencing from Monday. From Monday, emails will go out with the schedule for all of your meetings with your coach, so that you can plan ahead for the next 6 weeks. And Mandla Matafeni, just go !prop, !prop. Then in the top section, you're going to see Ultimate Trader. Everything is there. Chris, can I use my new live account for Ultimate Trader? No. Unfortunately not, Kaylin. It needs to be a fresh account.
Yeah,
it needs to be
brand new.
It needs to be brand new,
Needs to have its trading virginity still.
Because the reason for that is, Kaylin, is that let's say it's going to be about percentage gain, but there's obviously, firstly, let's say 10 people got to the stage where they are funded. Then those 10 guys are eligible because they're the most furthest along in the process. So then out of that 10, the 3 that had the most percentage gain will be the winner. So that's why we can't, unfortunately not, Kaylin. So you can buy any one of the funded accounts. Yes, Jonathan, anyone. Because percentage is percentage. Whether I make 1% or 2%, 2% remains 2%. It's just the monetary value that difference. This is about a percentage gain. So somebody with a 60k account can win against somebody with a 2 million rand account, because if he makes 20%, no trade yet, Kicks?
No, not yet. I'm actually waiting for it now, bro. Yeah.
What experience should we have? Life experience is needed. You have to have at least been drunk once. At least attended 3 church services in your life. And if you're not baptized yet, that's fine. But that's the only experience. Now I'm kidding, Vaughn.
Okay, guys, the R&D trade's gonna enter now, so we'll see how it plays out. Let me just put it up here. R&D trade.
No, Vaughn, I'm kidding. No experience needed, my brother. No, Vaughn has been here. No, Vaughn is a sport. I'm just being an idiot. Vaughn, I'm just making jokes here. Chris the jokester. Yeah, Nasdaq is getting ready for that 200. Just watch that 200 EMA Asia highs, and I love what gold is doing.
What's gold doing now?
No, it's bumping its head against that daily pivot. So I think once we get through there, otherwise it's chalked for the day.
Just as Chad, that was so close to us.
Are you still in?
I am. The laptop just died.
Oh damn! And you're in it. Did you place your stop loss though? Didn't you? Oh my goodness, bro! Don't you have it on your phone? Oh yeah, but you said you're only gonna have it on your. Bro, and there's news in 15 minutes, but it's looking. Bro, I swear to you. Oh my sack, bro! This is the quickest I've seen Keegan look for a charger. Okay, it's still an entry. I want to tell you, it's looking good. It's looking solid, bro. Kaylin, it's not about you never trading with it. You've reached the funded stage. The entire thing with the ultimate traders, everyone starts from a phase 1. That's the thing. Sorry, man. You fund it, so don't stress about don't fret it. Or you can just get another 60k and use that. Okay, that makes a lot of things clear. I will buy a new 10k for the challenge. Beautiful. So for the ultimate trader, has no extra cost besides buying the funded account. Exactly. It's completely free. It's a competition, so it's you still trade, you still get your account, you still, if you pass phase 1 and phase 2, you still get funded. Nothing changes. It's purely now a case of you getting additional mentorship from one of the 3 coaches you choose, and that's from us as a prop firm to just give back to you guys, to say, listen, here's a cool initiative. We're going to spend some time with you. We're going to give you education. We're going to help you with all of that. And yeah, that's why I say it's not even about us. It's more about you, giving back to you guys. And I can see he's still in. He's still in. Oh, didn't you see? Keeks, didn't you see? Yeah. Chad, I've never seen a man so relieved. Yo, that was the longest 5 minutes of his life. Have you placed your stop? Okay. Oh, Chad.
Chad, that was torture,
Oh,
man. That was torture.
Oh, okay, Chris, thanks for explaining properly. Kaylin, listen properly. Listen properly. No, I'm kidding. Honorable Dorito, why must I say I'm Batman? Have to lock it in, Keeks.
Yeah. That thing was testing me, bro.
Will Project G still go on as normal? Nothing's going to change from Project G, my brother. Nothing will change. Project G will continue as it should. Just a lot of improvements coming to Project G. Myself and Keegan had a meeting early this morning, so myself and him have a very busy week next week for what we want to do with Project G, content wise. So putting together I don't want to say a course, Chad, because we're not selling it as a course or anything, but there's a lot of a lot of content we'll be shooting next week that will be available for once you join Project G to go through candle anatomy, beginner's trader's guide, a lot of things that we feel is needed for you, so that it's not just a case of you waiting for us to take trades or waiting for the boot camps or whatever, so that there's already information. So that when we have the boot camp once a month, when we have the Wednesday calls, when we have the Monday calls, then you can ask questions based on that.
Yeah.
Hi Chris, do you know that gold price or pips or point is a time where to use this grams or distance? Yes, I knew that. Exactly. Pips, points, time, grams. Sometimes time stands still and then I feel like I'm 100 kgs. Let's just put it out there. I am buying US30. Alright, TMS trading made simple is buying US30. Keeks cardio came in handy there. I'm having a competition with my sister who has the deeper voice. Buying gold as well. Let's see how it goes. I just enjoyed the vibe on the stream. Awesome, man. Yeah, I'm with you on that. Trading made simple. I'm with you on that. I'm just waiting patiently, patiently waiting. Patiently waiting if we can get above there. Other than that, that's all I'm waiting for. And then obviously NAS. I don't know if you guys saw NAS. Okay, there NAS goes. Daily flip. Jeez Louise. Jeezin Louisen. Ah, calm down, bro. Calm down. Stay calm. Good day to
bro,
good weight.
I was panicking for this thing.
Chad, there goes Naz. There goes Naz. So yeah. Just check Asia highs. Sorry, Keeks.
I go for, bro. Yeah, I think even for us now, like I'll that's why I don't know. I actually set it to break even. Purely because obviously we had Asia highs, so this thing can have a bit of a problem there.
It's a problem if Dorito's sister's got a deep voice. No, Dorito doesn't have a deep voice. Just started challenge on Tuesday. Can I still? No, sorry, man. Did you already trade on it, Zazie? If you haven't traded on it, you can. But if you've traded on it, unfortunately not, my brother. I'm joining you guys at the end of the month. I've learned more in this live streams with you guys than any other mentor out there. Jock, you are way too kind, my brother. Really appreciate it. How's it, Chris and Keeks? Chad, Tariq, hope you're well. Took profits on US30. Amazing, Keeks. Alrighty, Keegan. The young gun, Keegan Darius. R&D is cooking at the moment. Sheesh, Keegan with these R&D.
Yeah, so I've just said it there. Let's break even, guys. And then yeah, TP is obviously your 3R trade. Let's finish this week off with another 90 pips here, baby. That means the account is now up 5%, bro. 5% in 1 week with the testing strat.
That is shy. Hey, Rishay is stout, maar why, Keeks, check Rishay's joke. I don't know if you can read Afrikaans. Oh.
Oh my.
Oh. Rishay, incredible. Lily, are we meant to take... Lily, you're not meant to do anything. Everything we do on these streams are for ourselves. So if you choose to take it with us, if you choose not to take it with us, it's completely up to you. Again, that's why we do the disclaimers. These streams are purely for educational and entertainment purposes only. So the fact that Keegan says it's a R&D trade, it's a strategy that is testing. He's testing it on.
I can show you guys. It's literally on a prop firm account. So I really took the trade, but it's literally, for example, the only reason I say R&D,
it's
research and
tested,
development.
yeah,
It's something we
forward
literally
testing.
I'm building now. It's not my normal strategy.
But yeah, Lily, that's the thing with what we do here. It is not. It is, it's we don't hold a gun to your head and say, hey, follow what we do here. No. Ultimately, it's still your own decision. Do you pull the trigger? Do you hold back? Whatever you do is completely up to you.
Yeah. So that's the thing, guys. Yeah, it changes, it differs, but this is very, very simple in the sense of all I'm saying why we say R&D is because if I'd say it's a normal trade of mine and this is a developing strategy. So when already guys that are Project G members, they know I'm busy building a new strategy. So when I put R&D, they automatically know that strategy I'm live testing.
I had to show that Peter Sisa. Peter. Yes, the Owens.
Yeah,
Yo.
but keep in mind, guys, this is literally 3R. So, I mean, if you closed at 2R, 60 pips, there was 2R there, guys.
Hey, Chad.
So your 1-to-1 is still over there. If you guys want to take now, this is still a 1-to-1 trade. You've made what you initially risked. I am break even on the trade, guys, so...
Kaylin, did you sign up as an affiliate? Please tell me you did. Please tell me you did. And if you did, well done. Yeah, Chad, we'll be doing something for the affiliates very soon. I'm already planning something for the affiliates going forward. Already chatted with the marketing team. Want to do... I don't want to say a mastermind, but the guys that really want to do something in terms of building an online business or even an affiliate business, to really spend time with those guys, because ultimately if you've got a strong affiliate, if people love your product and your product's good, and you provide your affiliates the support and you provide them with merch and you do events, all of that, then it's a case of it's a shared valued model. You use the service, you enjoy it, you refer people. It's not a case of you're just doing it for the money. But
do you lock in profits, Keegs? Normally I do, bro. Normally, obviously, a 1 to 2, things like this, I would happily take it off. The fact we know Asia highs is here. So this can reject on the 15 now. Like this thing, if this 15 closes under here, 100% that TP is going. But if we close above Asia highs, good chance of showing signs of rejection. So it could close. When you look on the 5 minutes, so what we always do, we actually call this over here, this little candle. Let me just do it here. So when you got a big bearish pulse, let's talk about that there. Let's make this, let's make it red just so it stands out. When we talk about this candle over there, when you've got a very bearish downtrend, and you get a pullback candle like that, we normally call it a pause. So that's just a pause before you continue bearish. So that's why if this 5 minute, and that will also be the 15, close underneath Asia highs, very good chance that was our pause and we're going back. But if this closes above that level of support, that was actually our reversal, and then we're going to trade bullish again. So very much normally I would wait on that. But as I say, because this is an R&D trade, I'm basically doing a prop firm account on a strategy. So I need to collect data, whether the trade either hits stops or hits TPs. So, and I'm closing obviously on full. That is the whole idea of these trades. You need to be taking the full RR. So this one I have cheated a bit just because it's Friday. I've gone break even. But again, technically my stop is technically like over here somewhere.
But also there's news coming out, so it would be silly to sit through.
So normally I would, brother. I mean, like I said, this was a 2R trade, but at the moment, no, this thing is still full on in.
Michigan consumer in 5, and I've got a weird feeling gold could rip. Chad, okay, I'm gonna wait for Michigan, but I'm just saying, with all of this trend line liquidity, it could just blast. So, but we'll see. This is that zone. Sorry, that is that zone. Yo, I don't know why I'm so fatigued, my bro. Just a little bit of hard labor and I'm finished.
Nah, bro, it's Friday. You got a party.
Um,
And it's rugby weekend tomorrow, brother.
Rugby, I've never heard of her. No, I'm kidding. Are we playing the quarter pounder deluxes tomorrow?
Yeah.
Quarter special.
Those little ginger ninjas.
Little quarter. Chad, yeah, big shout out to my boy Ed. Yeah. Ed and Nicole. Ed's better off. Came here this afternoon. Nicole immediately started helping us. Ed, I don't know what Ed was busy doing.
Shooting his video.
Was he shooting? I don't know. Ed was nowhere to be seen. We were sweating at the back. Nicole was grafting. And then Ed just said, "Hey, Nicole, come. We're out of here." No, I'm kidding. And Ed is helping us with the 24-hour stream as well. Yeah, Ed, I don't know if Ed is still on. Ed, thank you so much, my brother. Myself and Keegs are going to check at that plan now. But yeah, it's awesome. Ed has been a great help and always willing to help. So big shout out to Ed. Always just ready to put his hand to the plow. So we really do appreciate it. Mo was my spirit animal. Yes, bro, you know, Mo's Chad, look at that. But let's see. As I said, that liquidity, trendline liquidity could make it rip.
Yeah, so trading made simple. Sorry, Chris. Like this, unhappily, I would close now because you've closed and held that as a support. But yeah, my stops are like over there somewhere. They stopped a little bit in profit basically just to cover commission fees, so that I don't technically take a loss because I've got a floating loss. So I've got to be clever with how I do these things now.
Yo, this playlist is incredible. It's gonna put us to sleep. I'm gonna have to. Let me see if I can find something for us, Chad. We can't do this. Bring me back.
Yeah, I saw that, bro. They made that literally the next day after we beat them. It was on Sunday.
What's that?
So on Saturday when we beat Ireland,
Yeah.
the next day Ireland announced South Africa no longer is visa-free entry into Ireland. Yeah, literally the next day they announced that.
Are you for real, man?
Bro, I promise you, go Google it. They announced it literally the day after we beat them. Bro, and the funniest thing is, they are still losers because I don't know if you saw, they made a whole thing about what's his name? Casey, the guy, the scrum off that Archia took out.
Yeah.
I think his name's Casey. And they were making a thing about it. So unnecessary. You might have ended a guy's career over nothing and you didn't even get penalized and why. And we were like, excuse me, do none of you oaks remember Pat Lambie? You took our boy out of nothing.
No, bro, he's finished his career.
You want to now say this. Then they were having apparently a thing about, I don't know if you've seen it, the zombie.
Yeah.
Apparently it's a massive thing. They've said like it's such a sore thing to them, so we mustn't play the song. Yet they've got clips obviously when they were playing it at the World Cup for Ireland. it was no problem. But now when we play, when we beat them, because the guys chant Rassi, it's apparently got to do something with some kids that were bombed and all of this stuff.
No, I think the artist had like cancer or something. It's an Irish artist that sings the song, which is and I think it's to do with I think it's more to do with the artist than I don't know. Yeah.
No, but that's what I'm saying. But when they win and the people were chanting Ireland to it, they had no problem. But now when we chant Rassi to it, when we beat them, it's an issue.
But come on, bro. South Africans, as South Africans, we are a little bit animalistic. Chad, that's the thing about being South African is we are just so adaptive. Like, you throw a song at us that's supposed to bring another country together, we make it our own, we then use it to Chad, South Africans, we're just on another level.
But who was it there that asked me about the...
Oh, Lyndon Keeks. Pop that horn.
Oh, Lyndon.
Dono. Donski.
A little dono there.
A Donesk.
That dono is going to push this thing to TP, guys.
A Donesk.
It's going to push it to TP, Chad.
Oh,
A beautiful 90 pips to end off a Friday, Chad. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. 90 pips to end off on a Friday. Let's send this. Come on,
songs
Chad.
are about a difficult time in Irish use. Okay, I'm not honest. I'm not too sure, but I just know South Africans are we're animals. So we're animalistic. It's just what we do. We in a good way. We are just ruthless.
Yeah.
All of South Africans are like boys that only went to a boys' school and was in a hostel. We are just reckless. Chad, what are we gonna do with gold here? The hourly closed with no bottom wick. Oh,
guys, US City missing TP by a few pipettes.
Close it out, Keeks. Close it out. Don't do what I did. Close that trade. Close that trade.
We got to stick to the plan.
Close that. Chad, look at that trend line liquidity on gold. Don't say I didn't put you on the trend line liquidity game. I said.
Yeah, my stop loss is hit on US 30. Hey, sorry, brother. Sorry, my brother.
Trend line liquidity.
Bro, I promise you today it was you. Probably Monday it will be me.
What's that?
Because I was in the sell, he was in the bar. So he'll say his stop loss get hit now. So I said, oh, bro, but it's next week will be my stop loss that gets hit. Gold looking great on the... Bro, what happened to you, DXY? Everything's like chilling, but DXY...
No, DXY had a little tip and nip.
Yes,
look at that key level. I don't know, these key levels, bro, they seem to work. Look at that, a young key level. It's still close bearish though, so it can just continue lower. But yeah, I'm just waiting for gold. So over to...
guys, problem is, this thing closes above there. That's literally a reversal pattern, yeah. You guys should know
a reverse key.
If that thing closes above here,
Asia
high,
yeah,
close above there, that is literally the definition of the reversal pattern right there. So, yeah, if that thing closes above, it's a bit of a problem.
Asia high ski.
Gold has already covered my loss on USD. Damn, bro. Man's machine gunning out here. Wait, when did you enter gold? If it like... The thing is, this USD doesn't have a bottom wick.
Keys, I got a quote now for the LED lights.
Yeah, how much are we going broke now, bro?
Okay, so but you went big with that other company. So for the 2Gs one, I only went 1.5 meters wide.
Yeah.
So we must just check those prices. And then for the live and then the Peach Nation one, I went 300 wide. So it's basically a ruler. So it's only like,
Okay.
can it be so expensive though? Yo.
Otherwise, bro, we have the other stuff. Like, that can always come in the future. Because we're going to already have quite
No,
a
no,
lot of our
but
stuff starts
everything
coming on Monday.
8,200. It's still not cheap, but I must chat to him. I don't know how the Peach Nation one is only 3,300, and that's like 5 times the size of the other ones. So something doesn't make sense there. I'll chat to him.
Ish.
Sure, it's expensive. But it looks, he sent me some of the stuff they've done. Check there. Check, yeah. This looks dope. I don't know what they did, yeah, but this looks mad.
Oh, that's sick.
Oh, I see. You know what they did, yeah. It's a light panel on top of the glass. You check that.
Yeah.
And then this is imprinted in the, that looks mad.
That's sick.
This looks mad, bro. And you can still see the background. Yo.
We could maybe do something like that.
I'll chat to him. Maybe we go and see him on Monday.
Yeah. Guys, I can tell you now, that's definitely the stop. Because I said the stop was a bit in profit just to have commission fees. So that, I can tell you, is out there. It is anyway.
Is Quiz sending you pictures of the displays? No, bro. Have you chatted to Quiz? Carl, what's up, boy? Quizky doing?
Bro, you know how I was saying to KT, I swear these oaks have me marked up or something.
What?
My boy Abiso messages me now and he goes, "Hey, Mr. Keegs, what you doing? Are you busy this weekend?" So I said, "No, what's up, brother?" He goes, "Do me a favor. Please come past Bogart this weekend. We have to do some big specials here. And I got to make sure my loyal customers are sorted out first." So I said, well, what's the sales? So he says, no. Just come in, sir. Come in, sir. I promise you I will be worth your time. So I said, no, okay, I'll come pop in tomorrow.
Chad, you guys don't know anybody at Under Armour? I'm more Under Armour guy. I got a little care package from Under Armour. When was it? Wednesday, Tuesday? Tuesday, yeah, it was Tuesday.
Tuesday, yeah.
Little care package.
Hey, bro. Chris, are you gonna take something, bro?
Yeah.
Like, seriously?
No, serious gold. Remember I said I'm just waiting for the retest.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because that's me, guys. I'm not gonna take anything the rest of the session. It's Friday. I'm gonna enjoy myself.
No, Project Rock is way overpriced. I'll never spend like 6K on a pair of tackies.
4 Project Rock items. I've got 2 of the headphones. I've got the one black headphones.
I gave some of my project, not some of my, I gave Keegan the wrist straps.
Nah, those things are bomb, bro. But I have the black headphones. Then I got the gold limited edition. I have the blood sweat. What's it? Blood.
But they expensive. How much did you pay for it? Like 5-6K.
I got them on special for 5K. The gold ones. Then I've got a Project Rock bag. And then I think it's a vest that I have. Like those oversized vests.
No, I love Under Armour. Kicks that you get
using the whole trade to break even because of the few pips to TP. Kuth, we went over it, brother. There's a reason I'm doing it. Don't worry about it.
It's just to keep things consistent, Kuth.
I'm literally building a strategy. So to have that, I have to have consistent results. I can't say, this trade I closed out here. This trade I closed out there. This trade I'm trying to build a strategy. Yeah.
He's trying to build a mechanical strategy.
So I have to leave it, bro.
But Kuth, if you took it, well done. Chad.
No one told you guys to say. I told you Oak said 2 R to close out. I told you guys to close there. To be fair, you can go back on the stream. I said that.
Chad, just gonna wait here. As mentioned, that liquidity. Did say the trend line liquidity. I did say before the news we could get a little runaway move like this. Don't say I didn't say it. Only thing is I couldn't really take a buy stop here. I think we would have gotten slipped, and on a Friday I'm not feeling that frisky to do that. US 30, there's that yearly pivot level. Gold, Asia lows. Let's see. First time back into the Asia range from this morning. Can we get a little retest there? If this thing just continues all the way to Asia, then I'm done. I'm done for the week. But if we can get a nice test here, then I'm more than happy to take a last little bullet here for the week. Last little bullet. So let's see. Chris, would you ever get you the curries of Under Armour? Yeah, I love a good curry. I usually go to what's the place here where we always get our curry? Yeah, I'll always go for the mutton, but I wouldn't eat that curry with my Under Armour stuff on. No. That naan is very oily and stuff, so I wouldn't. No. Does Under Armour make curry? I never knew it. Keith said, you know that Under Armour made curry?
No, I didn't, bro. No, I didn't.
I thought only they were a clothing brand, Linda. Oh, the shoe of Stephen Curry. Okay, Steph Curry. Okay, the basketball player. Lyndon, are you referring to does it reset at midnight? Yes, Plamina. It resets at midnight. Nah, I'm taking the piss out of you. No, no, I would. I was actually looking at some of the... no, I was actually looking at it. I wait every single year for there's 2 sales every year I catch. Actually 3. I usually wait for the 2 seasonal sales. So when they go from summer to winter, and then obviously the Black Friday one. I usually, for instance, like the stuff I bought actually Sunday. When you take the total discount was almost like 7,000 Rand. So it's like 7K you save, because if you didn't buy it on that sale, I think some of the stuff were like 60% off. I burst out laughing when you said you enjoy a good curry. Bright Projects, how are you, my brother? Hope you are doing well, man. End of the week here, just trying to see if we can get one last rub of the shine here. Just hoping we get a nice little retest of Asia lows. Otherwise, that is the week. Tio Tao, that's why I took off the yen pairs. One of the better decisions I've made in a long while. It seems it could be... Yeah, okay, I don't even know what this... I'm not even going to say it could be this or it could be that. Yeah, remember, Chad, we were talking about that wick can still be filled. So, still closed bearish. That's on a reversal candle. US 30 going for those highs. Nasdaq, gold. Yeah, Chad, we'll see. I'm still gonna give it a couple of minutes. Let's just see if we get a pullback. $10 to $19 Bitcoin and gold. Nice, man. Chris B. No. Be smart. And there's a time in life to be aggressive, and there's a time to be assertive. Sometimes being aggressive is not the best decision. Keegan, what's the place called where we get our naan from?
What?
The curry place, man. They're close to Central. Come on, man. It's the best curry place. It's the best curry place in P.
What?
The takeaway, the restaurant, the curry restaurant. Man, I'm gonna chat. It's gonna bother me.
Jitty, I don't even know now, bro. You blank, yeah.
Wait, I must find a chat. It's gonna P people.
La la
No,
la.
not Lalas. I know Lalas very well. Not Lalas. Wait, I want to tell you now.
Royal Delhi.
Royal Delhi. Fuck, man, there you go. Royal Delhi. Royal Delhi. Royal Delhi. Chad, here's the thing. There's no... You can't... Woolworths can't make the naan like the real Indian places do. Like, you'll buy the naan and all of that. It's not the same. You can try and convince yourself and say, no, it's the same. It's not the same. Oh, Chad. Where's Mo? Is Mo still here?
I don't know.
Please call Mo if you can, urgently.
Me?
Yeah, even off your phone. I just saw something now. Yo, the boys. Mo Olaik, whoever edited that Vault Thunder video. Hey, my brother, what is... Delete it, please, my brother. You guys have to quality checks on it, please. That's the first thing I see. I don't know how. Thank you. Alrighty, Chad. There's butter chicken. Yeah, Chad. I think I'm gonna. Yeah, Keeks obviously also wants to shoot home. I still have some stuff that I'm gonna sort out here at the office. Yeah, Chad. I think for me, I'm still gonna stick around. We're gonna most probably end the streams in a couple of minutes. I'm gonna wait. If I get it, it seems we could potentially get it. If we can pull back to Asia lows, and we can hold a retest on Asia lows, I'm gonna take some longs there, and I'm gonna be targeting Asia highs back to the weekly R1. That is my trade that I'm waiting for. That's the only trade that really makes a lot of sense to me. this trade here, you could have maybe taken after that hold there, but I wasn't even looking at US30. Nasdaq also, remember what I said, if we can break above here, we can look for potential longs. So maybe check the retest, but gold makes a lot of sense to me. Obviously, I don't want it this deep down here. I want to see that we hold. Wait, where's the gold? Yeah, I want to see it hold Asia lows. That is the trade for me. If it comes all the way back down here, potentially this was just again a deeper pullback to continue lower, because we are still bearish on the day. So yeah,
Bro, please tell me now. You must remember Favor now. Tell us more stories about trading psychology. You have to remember him now, bro.
Okay.
He used to spam that in the chat. How do you not remember this person, bro?
I think I remember him. Wow. Yeah, I always want the best for people, but maybe Favor. Anyways. Jared Buerta, thank you for the streams this week. Chris and Keegan, I wish you all the best for the weekend. See you all on Monday. Stay safe and stay blessed. Another
Monday,
profitable week with all the G's. Thanks so much. Keegs, any closing remarks here?
Alright, guys, as I said, been a good week. We still closing massively off in profits. If you're not going to blow it on trading, don't go blow it on something stupid like alcohol and stuff this weekend, guys. Make it useful. Either do something more fulfilling with you and your family, maybe some loved ones, have a good time. Otherwise, push it back into your trading so you can level up as well. Next week, again, I think this week was a big one with the numbers that came out. Makes it very, very interesting going into next week to anticipate what we're looking for. But as always, guys, time to level up. Project G, guys, we will obviously see you all on Sunday for our prep calls. And again, shot for the week, Chris. I think it was a good one to wrap up with.
Yeah, thank you so much, Keeks. I think, get rested, Chad. Busy week next week for us especially. We've got a massive week planned.
Guys, don't forget to scream for the Bokke tomorrow.
Scream for the Bokke, and also just a few things. Ultimate Trader entries in on Sunday. Then next week, Thursday, we are doing the 24-hour stream. Also Monday, start of the Ultimate Trader. And also next week, we are moving into the new studio. You would have seen some of the, for instance, Ed's clip that he shot this morning was in the studio. It is looking incredible.
Yeah, the video, Chris, the CPI video was shot in the studio.
So we're just waiting for last bits and pieces. And again, the studio is not going to be exactly what we envisioned on the first week or even the second week, but slowly but surely we're going to build on that set. But Chad, peace and love, baby. We will see you guys.
And in New York fashion, take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and don't forget to tell somebody you love them. Peace and love, baby.